You're receiving a text from your office manager about a holiday party at work. You're being asked to bring something for the holiday party, and of course you would like to bring something sweet. Well, we got you covered here at A Side Guy Cooks With something sweet and delicious, Sacher Torte Cookies. So let's get started. Let's prepare the wet ingredients. Time to add the dry ingredients. Set your timer for 12 minutes. As always, ovens do vary. Sacher Torte originated in Vienna, Austria in 1832. Sacher Torte is a dense chocolate cake with a thin layer of apricot jam coated in dark chocolate. Sacher Torte remains popular in Austria and around the world. Looks great right out of the oven. Time to add the blackberry jam. Feel free to use your favorite jam flavor. Time for the chocolate ganache. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. These cookies have a slight crunchy texture, and the jam is a great added addition, and the overall flavor profile is chocolate. Join the community, leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Looks like you made the perfect treat to bring to the office party. Stay with us. Watch the next video.